What happens during an appraisal? Step by step. An appraisal is a key step for buyers and sellers. But what happens during the process? This video provides an overview so you know what to expect. An appraisal is an independent valuation of a property's market value conducted by a licensed professional. It protects all parties in a transaction. What is an appraisal? For buyers, it ensures you don't overpay. For sellers, it supports fair pricing. For lenders, it assesses property value for loans. Who does the appraisal? Licensed, certified appraisal professionals provide unbiased valuations. They adhere to industry standards and conduct visual inspections. Key factors influencing value: size, condition, location, comparable sales, market trends, and unique features determine value. Walking through the process. The appraiser contacts for info, researches the property, inspects it, analyzes comps, and compiles a report. The value can be contested. What if appraisal is low? You can challenge it, renegotiate, make repairs, explore financing, or cancel the contract. An agent can help navigate options. What if appraisal is high? Buyers gain equity. Sellers get price validation. But renegotiation risks exist. Proceed cautiously and consult experts. Now you know what to expect during the appraisal process. Ready to connect with a local real estate pro? Visit instantbuyhomes.com and get matched today.